Welcome to our guide on maintaining a pet-friendly home without sacrificing the beauty of your furniture. Pets bring endless joy and companionship into our lives, but they can also leave behind a trail of destruction. From playful scratches to anxious chewing, our beloved animals often leave their mark on our cherished pieces. Understanding the common issues caused by pets is the first step in addressing them effectively. In this chapter, we'll explore some advanced techniques to pet-proof your furniture, ensuring longevity and durability. By taking proactive measures, we can enjoy the best of both worlds, a happy pet and a beautiful home. Our furry friends and furniture, a common predicament. We love our pets. They bring so much joy into our homes. Their playful antics and loving presence make every day brighter. However, sometimes this joy comes with a few furniture mishaps. It's a small price to pay for the happiness they bring. From scratched surfaces to chewed corners, our furry friends can leave their mark on our beloved furniture. These marks are often signs of their playful nature or teething phases. It's important to address these damages, not just for aesthetics, but also for the longevity of our furniture. Ignoring them can lead to more significant issues over time. Scratched wood is a common issue, often caused by sharp claws on tables and chair legs. These scratches can be unsightly but are usually fixable. Chewed edges, especially on wooden furniture, can be a sign of teething puppies or anxious chewing. Addressing these behaviors early can prevent further damage. Torn upholstery can occur from playful scratching or even just everyday wear and tear from furry companions. It's a common issue in pet-friendly homes. While these damages might seem disheartening, they're often easily repairable with some simple DIY techniques. A little effort can make a big difference. Remember, a little effort can go a long way in restoring your furniture and maintaining a beautiful and pet-friendly home. Regular maintenance can prevent many issues. These repairs are not just about restoring the look of your furniture. They also help in preserving the integrity and functionality of each piece. They are about preserving memories. Each scratch and tear tells a story of moments shared with our pets. Each piece in our home tells a story. These stories are woven into the fabric of our lives. By fixing these little accidents, we're ensuring these stories continue. Our homes remain a testament to the love and joy our pets bring. Scratched wood is a common sight for pet owners. Whether it's from playful pets or everyday wear and tear, those unsightly marks can really detract from the beauty of your wooden furniture. Luckily, there are easy DIY solutions using items you might already have in your pantry. These simple fixes can save you time and money, and they're surprisingly effective. For light scratches, try a walnut. This might sound strange, but it works wonders. Simply rub the meat of the walnut along the scratch. The friction helps release the natural oils from the nut. The natural oils will help mask the mark, blending it with the surrounding wood. You'll be amazed at how well this simple trick works. For deeper scratches, brew up a pot of strong coffee or tea. The darker the brew, the better it will work. Let it cool, then dip a cotton swab into the liquid. Make sure it's fully saturated. Apply it to the scratch, allowing it to sit for a few minutes before wiping away the excess. This gives the wood time to absorb the stain. The stain from the coffee or tea will help camouflage the scratch, making it much less noticeable. For the most severe scratches, use wood filler. This is a more permanent solution. Choose a filler that matches your furniture's color. This ensures a seamless repair. Apply it to the scratch following the product instructions for drying time. Patience is key here. Once dry, sand it gently until smooth and level with the surrounding surface. Your furniture will look as good as new. Chewed furniture edges can be unsightly and even dangerous. For minor chewing, use sandpaper to smooth out the damaged area. Start with a coarser grit sandpaper, and gradually move to a finer grit for a polished finish. Once smooth, apply a matching wood stain to the area using a small brush. Allow it to dry completely. For more severe chewing that has created chunks missing from the wood, wood putty is your best bet. Choose a putty that matches your furniture color. Apply it generously to the damaged area, pressing it firmly into the gaps. Let it dry completely, then sand it down until smooth and flush with the surrounding wood. Finish by applying a matching wood stain or sealant to protect the repair and blend it seamlessly. Section 4. Patching up the past, restoring torn upholstery. In this section, we'll explore some practical and effective methods to restore your beloved furniture to its former glory. Torn upholstery can happen, especially with playful pets. Cats and dogs often see furniture as their playground, leading to inevitable wear and tear. For minor scratches on leather furniture, try using olive oil or a leather conditioner. These household items can work wonders in restoring the look of your leather. Apply a small amount to a clean cloth and gently rub it into the scratch in a circular motion. This helps the oil penetrate the leather, making the scratch less visible. The oil will help condition the leather and minimize the appearance of the scratch. Over time, this can significantly improve the overall look of your furniture. For larger tears or holes in fabric upholstery, patching is the way to go. This method is both cost-effective and relatively simple to do at home. Choose a fabric that closely matches your existing upholstery. This ensures that the patch blends in seamlessly with the rest of the furniture. Cut a patch slightly larger than the damaged area. This extra fabric will help secure the patch more effectively. Use fabric glue or a needle and thread to carefully attach the patch to the underside of the torn fabric, ensuring it lies flat and smooth. Take your time to make sure it's properly aligned. If using glue, allow it to dry completely before using the furniture. This will ensure that the patch stays in place and the repair is durable. Section 5. Preventing future faux pas. Tips for proactive protection. Prevention is key when it comes to pet-related furniture damage. Regular nail trims for your pets can significantly reduce scratches. You can also use sticky tape or commercially available deterrent sprays on furniture to discourage scratching or chewing. Providing plenty of appropriate chew toys for your pets can redirect their chewing habits away from your furniture. Consider using furniture covers, especially when leaving pets unsupervised, to protect against both scratches and spills. Gap 3S, Section 7, Tackling the Fur Frenzy, Dealing with Pet Hair. Pet hair on furniture is a common issue, but with the right approach, it can be easily managed. Start by using a vacuum cleaner with a pet hair attachment to remove loose hair from your furniture. For fabric upholstery, a lint roller or a damp rubber glove can effectively pick up stubborn hairs. For leather or faux leather furniture, a microfiber cloth or a slightly damp cloth can work wonders. Additionally, consider using washable furniture covers that can be easily removed and cleaned. Regular grooming of your pets can also reduce the amount of hair they shed, keeping your furniture cleaner for longer. With these simple tips, you can keep your furniture looking fresh and hair-free, making your home a more comfortable place for both you and your furry friends. Gap 3S, Section 8, Smart Choices, Choosing Pet-Friendly Furniture Covers. If you're looking to protect your furniture from pet damage, investing in pet-friendly furniture covers is a smart move. These covers not only shield your furniture from scratches, spills and hair, but also add a layer of comfort for your pets. When selecting a cover, opt for durable, machine-washable fabrics that can withstand frequent cleaning. Look for materials like microfiber, canvas, or heavy-duty polyester, which are resistant to wear and tear. Additionally, consider covers with non-slip backing to keep them securely in place, even with active pets. For a stylish touch, choose covers that complement your home decor. Many brands offer a variety of colors and patterns, so you don't have to sacrifice aesthetics for functionality. Some covers even come with waterproof layers to protect against accidents. By using pet-friendly furniture covers, you can extend the life of your furniture and create a pet-friendly environment that both you and your furry friends can enjoy. It's a simple and effective way to maintain the beauty of your home while accommodating your pet's needs. Gap 3S, Section 9, Smart Selections, Pet-Friendly Furniture Materials. Choosing the right materials for your furniture can make a significant difference in how well it stands up to your pets. Look for materials that are durable, easy to clean, and resistant to scratches and stains. Leather is a popular choice because it's tough and can be wiped clean easily. However, be cautious, as some pets may scratch it. Microfiber is another excellent option. It's tightly woven, making it resistant to claws and easy to clean. Additionally, materials like denim and canvas are sturdy and can withstand a lot of wear and tear. When it comes to wood, opt for harder woods like oak or maple, which are less likely to show scratches. Avoid softer woods like pine, which can get damaged more easily. For a more sustainable choice, bamboo is an eco-friendly, durable option that can handle a lot of activity. Consider furniture with replaceable or washable cushion covers, making it easier to deal with any messes. Furniture with metal or powder-coated steel frames can also be a good choice, as they are less prone to damage from chewing or scratching. By selecting pet-friendly materials, you can enjoy beautiful, functional furniture that stands up to the daily challenges of pet ownership. These smart choices will help you maintain a stylish and comfortable home for both you and your furry companions. Section 6. Embrace the challenge, you can do it. Repairing pet damage on furniture doesn't have to be daunting. With a few simple DIY techniques and readily available materials, you can restore your furniture and maintain a beautiful and pet-friendly home. These repairs are not only cost-effective, but they also allow you to personalize your approach and add a touch of your own love and care into your furniture. So, embrace the challenge, gather your supplies, and give your furniture some much-needed TLC. You might even discover a hidden talent for DIY and find joy in the process of restoring your furniture to its former glory. Remember, a little effort can go a long way in creating a space that reflects your style and welcomes both you and your beloved pets.